Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FloppyPepe token. Now this token here is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage. They're actually in the first stage of their pre-sale. I saw this token advertised in a news article, crypto news article. They have a full audit, they have a white paper, a bunch of socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up here in the corner of the screen as usual so you guys can easily find this project here. But their webpage is FloppyPepe.io. They also have a Telegram, TikTok, and Instagram. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get the pre-sale in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first and before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So ticker symbol FPPE. You can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen here at FloppyPepe, the Floppy Boys Club, and they have FloppyPepe with Land Wolf and Pepe's in the back there. Andy, Brett, all the Matt Fury characters there. 12,700 Twitter followers. They just joined January 2025 on Twitter. Has a link to their webpage right there, floppypepe.io. And that's where you can get involved with the pre-sale. If you go over there, there is a how to buy section. You can actually log in and create an account too with username, email, password, that type of thing. There's all sorts of frequently asked questions, just tons of info. But basically, it says they're in first stage of the pre-sale and it is 76.04% sold out. They have the current price. They talk about the USD raised, next round, the price increases, all that type of stuff there. So it says how to buy FloppyPepe coins. The FloppyPepe token is available for purchase through the pre-sale. Follow the steps below. So they have different currencies you could use: Ethereum, BNB, USDT, USDC. So it says visit the website, connect your wallet. You could use a MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc., Coinbase wallet. Select the network, ETH, Binance Smart Chain. First of all, you would have to download one of the wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store if you don't have one. And then you'd fund your wallet with BNB or ETH from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchanges, links that you could use down there in the description box. So basically, you punch in how much you want to spend. It'll tell you how much you get for that amount, confirm and approve transactions, and receive your tokens. So it says the tokens will be allocated after the pre-sale ends. So just be aware of that as well there. So they do have a full solid proof audit. You should always check that out. Now get ready to cross paths with the most electrifying meme coin in the crypto universe, FloppyPepe, ticker symbol FPPE. This isn't just another token, but an idea born from the creative genius of Matt Fury's legacy. FPPE is here to redefine what a meme coin can achieve while rallying a community driven by humor, rewards, and real-world change. With staking, AI video generation, an AI-driven Telegram bot, and an AI-powered meme creator, the possibilities are limitless. With every step forward, we inch closer to building the world's largest meme wall, a physical monument to creativity, humor, and community. This $100 million market cap goal will symbolize everything FloppyPepe represents: bold ideas, shared laughs, and a thriving ecosystem. But it doesn't just stop there. Meme DAO empowers every FPPE holder to have a say in the project's future, making decisions on partnerships, marketing stunts, and groundbreaking initiatives. It's not just a coin, but a decentralized powerhouse. Every FPPE transaction carries a deeper purpose, supporting wildlife conservation and sponsoring real hippos. By turning memes into a force for good, FloppyPepe proves that laughter can drive meaningful change. And it says they are carrying the torch of meme culture's legendary legacy. Being part of the same family of Matt Fury's tokens is a massive deal for FloppyPepe because it ties the project directly to the cultural icon. Matt Fury's characters, especially Pepe the Frog, have become cultural icons within the meme culture. The widespread recognition of affection for these characters have led to their adoption in various digital contexts, including cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Now, there is rare Pepes and NFTs. The project, initiated in 2016, involved digital trading cards featuring variations of Pepe the Frog. These cards became some of the earliest examples of NFTs, allowing the ownership and trade of the unique digital items on the blockchain. A notable example is the Homer Pepe, a unique card that sold for 205 ETH, approximately $320,000 in 2021, highlighting the substantial value attributed to these digital collectibles. I wonder how much that Homer Pepe is worth now, though. Probably 73 cents or something. Anyways, with an astonishing market cap of $8 billion and an all-time high that cemented its place as one of the 2024's top meme coins, Pepe rode the wave. Pepe the Frog. And then they talk about Brett and what this means for FPPE. For FloppyPepe, this association means inheriting a legacy that goes beyond just another cryptocurrency. It's not starting from scratch, but FloppyPepe is part of a proven narrative, backed by the influence and creativity of the Fury's universe. So they're basically just saying they're playing off the popularity of Pepe. Now, they have here the roadmap and the floppynomics. Let's skip down to those. So the token basics. It's the utility, reward, and governance token. 120 trillion total token supply. Now, when this token does go live for trading on DEXs, it says there will be a 3% tax. 1% will be redistribution, 1% burn, 1% charity. It's a deflationary token. 1% token burns annually. And price stability, a fixed percentage of transaction fees will be shared with the holders. There is token distribution, basically split up between marketing, liquidity pool, pre-sale, bonus round, public sale, team and advisors, airdrop, staking, community rewards, private sale, and reserve tokens. And they have, the 3% transaction fee. And then they have the roadmap. Very tiny print. Thanks for that here. Starts with pre-sale marketing, then launch of the token, global marketing campaigns, memetic platform, Save the Hippos launch, FloppyX AI agent, Uniswap listing, and then DEX tools, DEX screener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, all those things there are going to be key opinion leader partnerships. Then they're going to come out with NFTs, all sorts of cool stuff. But go check out the webpage, FloppyPepe.io. That's where the pre-sale is. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.